Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to use due dates, assign tasks, and basic options in Asana. First, open a task. Click the task name to open its details. To set a due date, look for the calendar icon. Click it. A small calendar pops up. Click on your chosen date. The task now shows that deadline. Now, assign the task. Find the assignee field. Click it and type a teammate's name. Select their name from the list. The task is assigned to them. Look at other basic options. In Task Details, see a description box. Click Add Description to write notes. To add the task to a project, click the project name under the task title. Type your project's name and select it. To set a priority, find the priority field. Click and choose High, Medium, or Low. Finally, mark the task complete. Click the empty circle next to the task name in List View. It fills in and strikes through the task. And that's it. You set a deadline, assigned a task, added details, and marked it complete. If this helped manage tasks, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.